Hello everyone, this is Ahmed from PenPy Technology. In this video, we will install a fresh copy of Windows using Windows Installation Media Flash Drive. If you need to find out how to create the installation media, follow the link on the screen now or find it later in the video description. Before we start, let me warn you that in this video, we will be deleting the full content of the hard disk. So if this is not the behavior that you want, don't follow along. As for those who will join us, come on, let's start. Insert your installation media, then start your PC. When requested, press any key to boot from the media. Once it loads, it will ask you to choose your preferred local language and formatting settings. Those settings include the language of the Windows, the time and currency formats, and the keyboards to install. We choose Next, and then we choose Install Now. Give it a second. Here, if you already own a Windows license key, you can type it in. It is in this format, but actually I would rather wait for after we are done with the installation. So I will click I don't have a product key for now. Now it's time to choose the Windows version that you want installed. Make sure to choose the one corresponding to your license key. Press Next. And of course, read the license and accept. Press Next. Setup now asks for the type of installation we need. Custom will only install Windows, while Upgrade will also keep the files and settings from a previous version of Windows that we are upgrading. Now click Custom. So again, please be careful because the next step will delete all the data on your computer. If this is not what you want, please don't continue. Now for those of you who will continue, we will choose all the Windows partitions and press delete one by one, after which we will have one unallocated bulk of space, equivalent to the size of my hard disk. Then we choose New, accept the size, then confirm. Then the Windows will create two partitions, one for its internal activities and the other one contains all of our space. This partition will be the one where all my data will reside, and this one is for Windows actions. We press Next. From here on, Setup will start copying files. That should take around 40 minutes. You don't need to sit and watch it while it completes the file installation. After the copying is done, the PC will restart. I will speed up the video to show you the rest of the process at the end. Meet you there. Now the installation is done and the PC is restarting. It's confirming my regional settings. Make sure it's correct and then press yes. It also confirms the keyboard layout. Press yes. Here it's also possible to configure other keyboard languages. I will skip for now. It will take a moment to finish its setup. Let it finish and then we will continue the steps. There, Windows will ask you whether this is a personal PC or it's a part of an enterprise. We will choose Personal PC. Then we press Next. After Windows is done with its setup, it will ask for your account. Whether it's Hotmail, Live, Skype, it's up to you. Or you can set up an offline account. Online accounts are recommended by Microsoft, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I will only use an offline account. I will call my account tutorial. You will not need to enter all of this data if you are signing in using your online account. Here it asks me for my preferences, also asks me for my preferred privacy settings. Then it will be preparing your account for use with Windows, and once it's done, you will have your working copy of Windows ready. Congratulations! You have your working copy of Windows ready on your PC. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to get notified of our latest videos. PimpEye out.